Hello everybody, welcome back. Here's how you can use the shape builder, a tool in Adobe Illustrator, to merge or to trim a shape with another shape. So for example, hold the left click button. Let's say if you want to make a crescent, click on the ellipse tool, hold the shift key on your keyboard to make a circle, just like this, and then you want to color it, for example, yellow, just like this. Remove the outlines by hitting the down arrow. And then create another circle, just like this. And then you simply want to, trim this with this. So select the two objects and then click on the shape. No, not the blend tool. The shape builder tool, just like this. And then you simply delete the parts by holding the Alt key to delete some parts. Just like this. It's really easy now. You've just created a crescent. Now what if you want to merge some shapes? For example, you want to merge a circle, just like this, with a square, for example. Hold the left click button, head over to the rectangle tool. Hold the shift key, just like this. Or maybe you want to have more circles. Just like this. And then you want to merge all of the shapes or to weld these shapes. So select the shapes and then click on the shape builder again. And then you don't have to hold the Alt key, so that every shapes are welded to each other. Just like this. Fancy. Now to weld this with this, click on the shape builder again and then drag it. Make a, select all of the objects and then click on the shape builder and then select all of the objects, so that all of the objects are now welded with each other. Just like this. And that's how you can use the shape builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. It will do so well if you want to create a logo based on several shapes that you can merge or weld, or even a logo or any design where a shape trims another shape, just like what we did for the crescent that we made. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.